Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annie Stacey. In this video I'm going to try and use this hair straightening brush to kind of stretch my hair or blow out my hair. I don't know how the result is going to be, but yeah, I bought this brush like 3 to 4 years ago, and I haven't tried it yet because I didn't have the courage to use heat on my hair. But right now I think I've summed up the courage to do so. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and use this brush on my hair. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is how the brush looks like. I'm going to use my DIY heat protectant and just spray it on my hair before I proceed to use the brush. So yeah, this is my DIY heat protectant.
My hair is in twist and I'm just going to take the twist down as I go because I'm going to be working in sections. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll just unravel the twist and work on the section that I'm ready to work on. Next, I'll go ahead and detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that the brush can pass through easily. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And after I'm combing out my hair, I'll go ahead and spray my hair with my DIY heat protectant, and then I'll begin to use the brush to try to stretch my hair. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but I don't know how it's going to look. But yeah, from using this, I realized that the highest was 230 degrees Celsius. It wasn't hot enough. So I think it had to take a couple of times. Like, it had to take me a couple of times passing the brush through my hair to actually see a little change. So yeah, just keep watching and we'll see the end results. When I'm done with the section, I'll just go ahead and do some bantu knots on it just to keep it away so that it doesn't interfere when I'm doing another section. So now, as far as this brush is concerned, I think it's good if you just want to blow out your hair, because as you can see, it gave me a blown out look. So I was thinking, oh, I wanted something a lot more silkier or like straighter, but then I just got a blown out look, and I think my heatless blowout can do a better job or can do the same job. So I don't know if I'll be using this brush often for my blowouts, because like I prefer to go heatless, because I think my heatless blowouts will do the same thing that this brush did. So yeah, but then it's a lot easier and faster. But yeah, it wasn't as straight as I thought. The heat was probably not enough to get my hair as stretched as I wanted. Like I said, the highest temperature was 230 degrees Celsius. So yeah, but then again, it's good and not that bad. If you just want a blown out look, you can get this brush. It makes things a lot easier. So yeah, I ended up putting my hair in 2 plaits or 2 braids. I went ahead and completed the other section of my head off camera, but then again, it's the same process that I showed you on the other side. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.